Good morning, student. In last period, we start new lesson, that is reproduction in plant. In this chapter, we learn the mode of reproduction. We learn there are two modes of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. We also learn the meaning of reproduction, that is a new individual is produced from their parents, is known as reproduction. We also learn two types of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction means the reproduction in which new individuals are formed without the production of seeds. On the other hand, sexual reproduction, new individuals are produced from the seeds are called sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, there are four types of asexual reproduction, that is vegetative propagation, in which new plants are obtained or grown from their vegetative parts of the plant, like root, stems, leaves, buds, etc. Second type of asexual reproduction is budding. Generally, budding is a type of reproduction in which the lower level of organisms like yeast, which is unicellular organisms, they reproduce by the budding process. Next, fragmentation. Some algae like Spirogyra reproduce itself by the fragmentation process, and fourth one is spore formation. In class 6, we learn about the fungi on the food like bread. These fungi grown on the bread or any food item and reproduce at there by the process of spore formation. Therefore, asexual reproduction are of four types, that is vegetative, propagation, budding, fragmentation, and spore formation. Now, what is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction. It means that the new individual are formed without the seeds. Therefore, it is a type of reproduction in which new plants are produced through their vegetative parts. We know the vegetative parts of the plant like roots, stems, leaves, and buds is known as vegetative propagation. For example, the rose plant, we all see the rose plant grown from its stem. If we cut the stem of rose plant with a knot or bud, it is called cutting, and we sow in the soil. Then after some day, we observe that new tiny leaves are grown on the knots of the rose stem. Therefore, potato and ginger. We use potato as a vegetable and ginger as a spices in our food, and we observe that on the surface of potato there are a small scratches like structure that is eye of potato. If we cut small piece of potato near the eyes of the potato and buried under the soil, the new potato plant are grown from these eyes. Therefore, no seed is required to produce new plant of potato. Likewise, the ginger is also a small piece of ginger if we buried under the soil and pour some water regularly. After some time, the growth of ginger is into the soil. Therefore, potato and ginger grow from their buds. The eyes of potato is also a buds. Some plants like Bryophyllum are grown from their leaves. If we insert a leaf into a soil on the margin of Bryophyllum leaves, there are buds, and from each buds new plants are grown from Bryophyllum. Sweet potato and dahlia grown from their roots. We also know very well about the sweet potato. If we produce a plant of sweet potato, then if we cut a roots of sweet potato, the new plants of sweet potato is grown. All these are given in your textbook of this lesson on the figure number 12.1 to 12.4 on the page number 134 and 135. On the page number 134, figure 12.1, it is given a stem cutting of rose. How the rose is reproduced. New plants of rose is obtained from the cutting is given in figure 12.1. In figure 12.2, potato plant sprouting from an eyes of potato, budding formation, bud, and ginger is given in figure number 12.3 with the new plants sprouting from it. Like on the page number 135, Bryophyllum leaves is given and margin on the leaves. There are a bud on their leaf and each bud produce a new plant. This is figure number 12.4. Therefore, all these plants are produced from their vegetative parts like stem, roots, leaves and buds. Therefore, it is called vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction. Now, another type of asexual reproduction is budding. Is unicellular organism. Unicellular means the body of organisms made up of only one cell or single cell, then it is said to be a unicellular organism. So, yeast is an example of unicellular organisms in addition to amoeba, spirogera, euglena, etc. The yeast multiply by budding. A small bud-like projection coming out from the yeast cell is known as a bud, which is given in figure number 12.5. This it said develop a bud, that is a small bud-like structure projection coming out from the yeast cell. It is known as a bud. When the bud grows, in third figure, the bud is grow well. When the bud grows, it detaches itself from the parent's body and forms a new individual. This is the chain of birth, and all the new birth is a daughter yeast cell is detached from the parent's yeast cell, and it is a new individual is produced from a single yeast cell. So this method of is asexual reproduction is called budding, which is given in figure 12.5. Now, another method of asexual reproduction is by fragmentation. Some algae are reproduced by this method called fragmentation. Like Spirogyra. We know the green colored patches are appear on the stagnant water if it there on the for the same someday. This green color of covering on the surface of stagnant water body is a Spirogyra. And this green color covering is like a thread-like structure, filament-like structure. These are the filamentous Spirogyra reproduced by the process of fragmentation. The filamentous algae, Spirogyra is an algae, breaks into two or more fragments, and each fragments grow into a new individual, which is given in the figure number 12.6 on the page number 136. This is the Spirogyra. It's break into two, one filamentous Spirogyra break into two. These two Spirogyra are individual living organisms, algae. Fragmentation in Spirogyra. If we break these two fragments into further two fragments, the four small fragments are small for Spirogyra. The Spirogyra structure of Spirogyra is like this. This is the Spirogyra, which is given on page number 136. Spirogyra. It is break from the center, then two Spirogyra algae are there from one. Therefore, Spirogyra reproduced by the process of fragmentation. The filamentous alga break into two or more fragments, and each fragment or individual break into a new individual is equal to 12.6. Now the another fourth method method of asexual reproduction. This is spore formation. Spore formation. We know that the fungi appear on the food item like a bread. If we kept a moist bread on one place for 1 to 2 days and then we observe that a cotton like thread structure appear on the bread. This is the fungi appear on the. Now the question is that how they grown on the bread. Thus, and so it is called spore formation. Plants like moss and fern and fungi on the bread reproduce by the means of spores. Spores are released into the air. They are covered by a hard coat to protect them from conditions like high temperature and low humidity. Under the favorable conditions, spores are germinated to form a new plant, which is given in the figure number 12.7 and 12.8 on the page number 136. Figure 12.7 is reproduction through a spore formation in fungus appear on the bread, and figure number 12.8 reproduction through a spore formation in corn plant. These are the sori, means spore forming bodies. It is called sori. This is hypha, spores which release into the air and protect themselves with the outer covering called cyst. And if we find any favorable condition, we break the outer hard covering and reproduce there. This is the method of asexual reproduction called spore formation. So we learn 4 methods of asexual reproduction in plant, that is vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, and last one is spore formation. Thank you.